Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So before I get started, I do want to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. I have a pattern set, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know it, at least hopefully. Now, with that out of the way, I do want to also point out that if we can do this kind of reset to get rid of a screen lock, most of us have a Google account signed in. So if you go in here and you have your account, I believe, visible right here, or there's Google right here. So yeah, you should have a Google account visible right here. So if you have one signed in and you do this kind of reset, you will need to verify either the Google account or the screen lock that was set. Otherwise, you will be stuck on the setup process of the phone and you can never finish it up unless you provide one of those. And previously, I would have been recording a video on how you can bypass this, but newer Androids have patched up all the kind of ways to do this, at least for free. And I didn't really record anything that was paid. So these were all things that I could do at home without purchasing or doing anything like that. These methods don't work anymore here. Anyway, so let's start off by turning off our device. I might need to see. Oh no, I can just turn it off. There we go. So once you turn off your phone, hold power button and volume down at the same time. And this will take us to the bootloader. There we go. Once you see this using volume buttons, you want to have recovery mode show up right here. There we go. And press power button to confirm it. Next, you will see Android with no command. When you do, hold power button, and while holding it, press volume up once. And this takes us to the recovery mode. And here, again, using a volume button, so you want to navigate down and select wipe data, factory reset, confirm it with the power button, then select factory data reset. It will tell you that it's formatting data and then that it's completed, at which point reboot system now is selected by default, so press power button once more, which will initiate a reboot and continue resetting your device in the background. Now this will take about a minute or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll have that set up for Android visible. So I'll be back once that is visible on my end. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.